Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Yesterday on Liberation Day, May the 5th, Friday, May the 5th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Yes, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. Yeah, last week we have no Sudoku heavy, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, 4 stars Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars. This one I'm interested. Yes. 10 printed digits. Then we have a cipher block, aka Suguru, or the tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start with the first one. Sudoku Light number 6384. Well, this one has a lot of printed digits, 33 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzles in the additional. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, let's get started. All right. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. And we have a 3, 3. Oh, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, or there. You see another 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about to the 7? All right, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait again. How about 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the first column should be there. Then 7, 8, 1 and 3. Okay. How about 7? Okay. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers in the last column is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in the last column. Should be there. All right. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. And the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and then 9 goes there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Okay, and now 7 and 8 and 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? Nope. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. So we have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. Alright. Then, let me see. 7 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7 is missing, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7, and the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. I'm pleased with the time because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So definitely a Sudoku Light. Thank you again for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with a second regular puzzle, a heavy Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.